everyone, we're gonna be doing a bronzy makeup look. Now it is summer, it's that time of the year to be giving that golden hour look in my opinion, and we're gonna decide to do that look today. I still got somewhere to be at 6:30 y'all, and it is like 5:45. I got 30 minutes to get my life together so I can go. So we're gonna get right into that video, but before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
I've been throw up the sex in
Alright, so I brought y'all in a little bit closer so y'all can see what is gonna go on the face. And I got this on y'all because I'm trying to learn how to do my hair, trying to be a DIY girly, and I don't need y'all to talk about my lace. Y'all need to focus on my face, not the lace. So we put this on so y'all won't see it because it looks a mess. I'm just laying it there right now. First, we're gonna start off with the brows, y'all, because I noticed that when I do my brows first, my face looks together, and I don't need that to change. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do first because I just want them to look fluffy and look cute, and I don't need nothing extra on them. I'll start by doing hair-like strokes. Just follow the natural lining of my brows and filling them in at the same time so I get the desired fullness, and then I just go to the front and then continue. I know this one look a mess, but it's okay. We are gonna clean it up. I have a little hack for that, and notice how I did not put any primer on yet, because if you have thicker brows like me and the type of product you're using, not putting primer on helps the brows set better and look better because it doesn't have a waxy feel and it doesn't just like roll all over the place. And next I'm going with a makeup wipe to clean the brows just so they can look snatched and together. And I make the desired look that I want, and if I don't like it, I go over and create that look. I'm going with an eyebrow gel, y'all. This is the Urban Decay Slick Day Brow, and I'm gonna just push them up because I do want it to look like my brows is just filled in. I think that is very, very good. Next, we're gonna go in and clean them up. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty concealer right here, y'all. This is the hydrating one in the shade 44W. And I'm gonna just, like I said, clean up the brows. So I can't do shit but thank them. Video visits, he be smiling on FaceTime, passionate. I'm talking with my hands, these ain't gang signs. You don't know Larry Tate, man, or CJ, you ain't one of mine. Braids on my neck. Then we're gonna add a little bit of dimension in the eyes, y'all, like a little bit of bronziness. So I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place palette, I can't talk. This is what it is. This is the coffee shop one, and it is full of browns, and I am in love, honey. So we're just gonna take a couple of colors just to like do something a little bit to the eyes, but not too much. We're gonna take this brown right here just to put in the crease a little bit. Just being a little bit careful, not just like I said, give it a little bit of some, not too much. Yeah. We're gonna put a little matte shade on the lid, a bright one, so I typically go in with this one, and that's the one I'm gonna do just to give it some dimension. Yeah, I feel like it's still a little bit too ashy, so I'm gonna take this shade right here to put it on the lid and see what happens. Yeah, this is exactly what I need. If I want to do any more customization, I'm gonna do it last because I might take it off, y'all. I really don't know. But we had a little bit of fallout, so I'm cleaning this in before I go in with my primers. And for my primers, I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be using Milk Makeup right here. This is their HydroGrip Primer because I do have dry skin. And then I'm going to be going in with the One Size Secure the Blur, y'all. I love this for my pores because they are kind of huge. So I'm going to go in with the Milk first, and then I'm going to go in with the One Size. All good, Chelsea, look around, find one to sink my type. Now my dog, he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Now for a foundation, I'm not going to be going in with a full coverage heavy foundation because I want to focus more on the bronzer part. So I'm going to go with something a little bit light just to give it some type of coverage because my skin is kind of even close, not a lot, but I'm going with the Anastasia Skin Tint Balm right here. This is what it looks like, y'all. I have been loving this for my days of like just want like my skin but better. Like, look at that. Like, it looks so good. But yeah, I love this bronzer. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using as the foundation today. Stippling just to give that coverage. Like, look how good it blends into the skin, honey. And if you want to know what I prepped my skin with, I just went over it with a moisturizer, and that's it. Because I already had SPF and everything on from earlier today. So I just went over it with, like I said, some more moisturizer. Next, we're going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using that Fenty Beauty once again up under the eyes. I know I got a warm concealer and I'm not really warm, but the purpose is to make the face look very bronzed or so. Alright, so while that product is sitting, y'all, I'm going to go in with my bronzer and contour. I just use both of them. I really don't contour that much, but I'm going to be using the Milani Cheek Kiss bronzer. It's in the shade Mocha Moments. I love this, y'all. It reminded me of Fenty Beauty in a little bit, and I do have it, but I'm going to just put this on the cheeks. It's not really showing up like I want it to. That's weird. And after putting it everywhere I want to, I'm gonna take the smaller brush that I use to contour my nose, and I'm gonna take it down the bridge of the nose and bring it up. Since this is not as dark as I want it, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of more. I'm gonna take my Sephora, yeah, and I'm gonna do that much on each side, as well as other areas like the forehead, and a little bit on the nose. And I'll put some right here just to give it a little oomph. And I got that from Uchi Natori. I really love her, y'all. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna go in and blend out this concealer. Make sure I'm looking up, keep it in one spot, and then work my way out. And you see that coverage, right? Yeah. So I'm going in with my Hourglass. This is in the shade Flax, just to highlight a little bit more. I like doing this because it also balances out the colors, because I look very orange and I ain't orange. So we're just gonna put a little bit here, just a tiny bit, and we're gonna let it sit. And while it's sitting, I'm gonna go in and blend out my contour and deepen up everything. See, it makes a cute little shadow. Yeah, that's what we're loving. Got this nose. So I'm gonna leave my nose contour there to sit for a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with my blush. This is from e.l.f. This is their Camo blush in the shade, this Suave Mauve. Yes, this is Suave Mauve. I'm going in more like a neutral pinky-ish, because like I said, I don't want the focus to be cheeks or anything. I really just want it to be the bronzer. So we're gonna tone it down when it comes to blush, but we are gonna want a little bit of oomph, just so we can have some type of color and some dimension. I'm doing small taps, bringing it down some, but also bringing it back up. And noticing how I'm doing this before I blend out that concealer, because it's gonna go over just a tad bit. I'm gonna take that brush earlier, go over it, just to blend it in with the concealer that I already laid down. And then I'm gonna go in and blend out this. And now I go blend out my contour. Well, my concealer on my nose. I'm just doing light feathery motions. I messed up my contour part a little bit, so I'm gonna take that brush I had earlier just to go back over it, as y'all can see, to give it a little bit of depth. And I'm gonna blend out the other side because it was gonna look crazy over here. And tell me why the shirt that I'm gonna wear got a stain. Of course it does. But anyways, y'all, like I was saying before my camera interrupted me, we're gonna go in with the Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna just spray this all over the face. It's the continuous one. Well, while we just spray, we're gonna go in with the powders now. I'm gonna be taking my Huda Beauty powder right here. This one's in the shade Peach Pie as a small little brightening powder. I really love this powder, y'all. It is so good. It just does everything for me. Like, look at that. The face, yes ma'am. Like, face is so cute, y'all. I'm also gonna take this same powder and do a little bit of baking, like right there. You see how much of a difference that make? Yeah. Next, we're gonna go in with bronzer, y'all. We're gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is it right here. It is their Stalk'r. Yeah, Stalk'r, and I have mine in the shade Mocha Mommy. This is what it looks like. It is a very pretty brown red, and I really like it. Like, yeah, like y'all understand. Face is giving it better, cause like I'm running late. But anyways, y'all, now we're gonna go in with the blush, sorry. We're gonna go in with the blush. This is very old, y'all. This is Sweet as Coca from MAC. I need a new one. I had this all my life. I'm not gonna sit here and hold y'all. One girl commented, and I love her for, about using old makeup. Use it at your risk. Don't be like me. Power my skin, it looks disgusting now, but don't be like me. Use it at your own risk, y'all, because it can do some things to you. But I'm just gonna put this right there. I use this shade in particular, like I said, I want to keep it bronze. I know y'all are probably tired of me hearing that word, but like it just gives like a sun-kissed look, honey. Like, yes. I don't know why I'm so excited, y'all. I should not be excited. My friend is leaving me, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna go in and wipe off this Huda Beauty. It's been sitting for a little bit. I don't put too much blush on there, y'all. Well, not blush. I don't put too much for baking because I have dry skin. So I'm just going over to make sure everything looks good. And this is what the face is looking like right now. I'm having like an odd problem with the eyes, y'all. So I'm gonna take my other powder. Where is it? Yeah, I'm gonna take my other powder from Fenty Beauty. This is also from their Stalk'r collection, and it's more so of an orange bronzer right here. Too bright for me, of course, but I think it'll be perfect on the eyes. Where is the brush? Here we go. So I'm gonna take another little flat brush, take some of this off, and just like go here to see what happens. Next, we're gonna go in and do the eyes. I have two mascaras right here. I go in on the top one with both and go on the bottom with one. So for the bottom coat, I'm just gonna go in with this Kiss right here, the Volume and Define mascara, sorry. I really do love this mascara, y'all. It is very cheap, and to be coming from Kiss, baby, y'all know Kiss came a long way. I really have not been wearing lashes lately, y'all. But I'm finna start though, because I miss them. But my real lashes are growing So I'm not really like too mad about it, but I feel like this look would eat down with some individuals or my clusters, because I don't really get my lashes done like that no more. And then next I'm gonna go in with my Kiss. This is their Bold and Long mascara, and just go on top. This one is thicker, y'all, which is why I do not put it on the bottom, because look at this dofa. It's huge. I'm gonna go in with my One Size setting powder, not setting powder, setting spray, y'all. I love this. It's giving me like Arsenal, like the Urban Decay type setting spray. Alright, and then last lip, like I said, I'm gonna take my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut to line these lips. I'm gonna overline slightly, simply because I did put a little bit of that concealer up there, that contour, to give me like a pouty look. So, and then I'm gonna be taking my lipstick. This is also MAC. This one's in the shade HoneyLove. This is what it looks like. Honey's being used, of course. And then I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss. I'm gonna be using the NYX lip gloss right here, the Butter Gloss. This one is in the shade Butterscotch, like my favorite shade, y'all. Just go right over it. And all right, everyone, that is today's makeup look. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you all love it. It is so pretty, y'all. I haven't did a bronzed look in a moment, but I am in love with this. Y'all might say like the rest of my makeup, I don't care, but I don't think so. I think the face look good. Maybe that's just me, but y'all let me know in the comments what you all think. Once again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 1K. We are at 600. So support your girl, and we will see y'all in the next video. Bye.